โอ้โหเฮ้ยกดอุ้ยทันไหมเร็วทันไหมทันไหมทันชิบิงทันเฮ้ยมีดวงตาตัว
What? I saw eyes.
Probably a rat or something. Keep moving.
No, I saw eyes just like that before I was beaten. I won't go through that again.
Big, shiny eyes?
You saw them too?
Not here, but yeah.
Go on. Get out of here.
ไปเร็วเฮ้ยรอดหรือว่าจะตายแล้วไม่ยอมตายง่ายๆเลยเว้ย
Come on, we gotta keep moving.
No way! Not until I can see where I'm going.
Okay. We can't go back outside because of our old friend Rexy, but maybe we can get the lights on. It seems like those things, whatever they are, like to stick to the shadows.
อะไรเนี่ย
We're in luck. This looks like a power panel right here.
เปิดโอ้ยตกใจหรือเปล่าเอาดาวมามีเสียงด้วยมันก็มองไปข้างบน
What's the
แล้วส
holdup?
ลับกัน
It's nothing. It's just a different, model
Để tẩy
than I'm used
pin
to,
lệ.
is all.
So you're stuck. Why don't you just read the instructions? They're right there, no?
Relax. This thing is just a glorified fuse box.
What about that thing there? Maybe you have to prime it before turning it on, like an oil pump or something.
Look, no offense, but this type of electrical system is probably way ahead of anything you've seen before. I got this. All right, I got it now. Close your eyes. You're about to lose your...
โอ้โหแล้วมืดกว่าเดิม
night vision.
เดินตามมันไปอีก
What's going on?
เกิดอะไรขึ้น
Dad?
พ่อ
Over here, Jess. It's all right.
นี่
The backup generator wasn't meant to last
มัน
this
ก็
long, that's
เกิดอะไร
all.
ขึ้นสักอย่าง
No, that's not it. We should have been fine for days.
How the hell was I supposed to know open meant turn everything off? I mean, it's
เปิดแต่
counterintuitive.
มันปิด
You would know if you read the instructions.
Why don't you yell a little louder? I think there's a dinosaur on the other side of the island that didn't hear you. Jeez.
ซีส
Whatever. There's a close,
ถ้า
right?
โค้ดก็ต้องคือเปิดใช่ไหมได้
There's a close, right?
ใช่
Yeah,
คือ
I'll
ปิด
close that
ใช่
crap right
ปิ
up.
ดก็ต้องเปิดนั่นไงด้วย
Yeah, that's right. Who's your...
Oh.
Oh, come
อ๋อ
on.
อันนี้แกมองคน
Rocket Jurassic Park's only unofficial radio station. Just a reminder before we sign off, Parklings. If you're not on the boat by 7, you're not going to be on the boat at all. I've got a little something special for all you last-minute packers out there. Personal favorite of mine, and I'll see you all on board.
Damn it, Artie.
He's not still here, is he?
No. From the sound of it, he
Gotcha.
queued up this last bit of tape and took
เป็น
off.
เทปเป็นเทป
So here's a little something to get you ready to set sail.
โอ้โหเป็นเพลงเฮ้ยมันมาแล้วอาโจสันไลเฮ้ยซ้ายขวาเอ้ยขึ้นลงเอ้ยขึ้นซ้ายเอ้ยขึ้นขวาโอ้ทันเงินแป๊บโอเคทันโอเคขึ้นโอเคไปขวาตัวเอ้ยโอ้ยเกือบขึ้น ลงทันอ้าวตายโอ๊ยไปทันโอเคตอนนี้ทันเรียบร้อย
Mother of God, I did it.
Oscar.
3 more. That way.
name that tune
Artie, this show is
โอ
over.
เคไฟกลับมาเหมือนเดิมแล้ว
You are my new favorite person.
You've forgiven
Top
me
height
for
is up.
fixing the lysine problem?
Don't push it.
Holy crap, Oscar. Did you just take one of those things out by hand?
You're supposed to be at the crash site.
Yeah, the plan didn't factor in an angry T-Rex, so we had to
Only
change it.
T-Rex,
I didn't think to
Big
engage
Bro.
it in a knife fight, sorry.
We had to change
เรา
the...
ต้องเปลี่ยน
That's
แผ
right.
น
I unlocked the mystery behind the shaving cream can. Turns out little Miss Sunshine here is smuggling dino embryos off the island.
What?
ฮะ
Let me guess. You have a plan.
Yeah, well, turns out these things are worth a lot of money to the right people. I mean a lot.
เออ
You're pretty self-righteous for a thief.
I wouldn't be a thief if you hadn't stolen this island
Không
from the
phải
people in
là
the
một
first
cái-
place.
I didn't steal anything.
อะไร
The
อ่ะ
Costa Rican
ไม่ได้
government
แต่ไม่ได้ข
rented
โมย
this
ทุกอ
place
ย่าง
to InGen.
And you
Pero
did
me
their
dejo poner
dirty
ahí.
work, didn't you?
I did my job, just like I'm doing now.
Really? And
พูด
how
เร็วเกิน
many
ไปหรือ
people
เปล่า
are
แพ
you
ร
going
ไม่
to
ทัน
kill
งงด้วย
today?
Shut the hell up, or I'll start counting with you.
Whoa, whoa, no fighting. Save it for the dinos, huh?
ฮะดูกันนะดูอิน
You going along with her?
Hey, I'm not doing anything unless you're down. But
That-
come on, Oscar. Do you really think InGen gives a rat's ass about us? Look what happened to B-Team, to Decaf. Their families are gonna get a puny check, a gag order, and nothing else.
I want live เด็ก
Do I gotta remind you we're working against the
แต่ไม่อยาก
clock?
ทิ้งเขา
There's no time to save these people and be her errand boys before this place turns to ground zero.
You mean ground zero?
Nothing. We could do it, Oscar. We've got a call for another helicopter anyway, so one of us takes the eggheads back to the mainland, and the other takes her to meet her contact.
Let me guess. That last part would be up to you.
You just tell InGen that I bought it like the rest of the guys they sent. Then you and I hook up later to split our cut.
I trust you, but I don't trust her.
อ่า
Okay, Billy, count me in. Just keep her the hell away from me.
He's not keeping me anywhere. But I don't want to be any closer to you than I have to.
Now, play nice, you two.
All right, let's move out. Take it slow and quiet.
ไปแล้วบ๊ายบายรักนะจุ๊บๆโอ้ยไม่ใช่เดินสิครับหาง
Let's not start this again. I respect your opinion,
อ้าว
Jerry.
ไปทำอะไรข้างนอก
Although, to
อ่ะ
be
เจส
honest,
ซี่
I'm a little surprised at your
เจส
lack
สิ
of
ก้า
regard for
เจ
the
สซี่
It's not
เจ
that
ส
I don't
เจ
care
ส
about
ชื่อ
the
เจสไม่ใช่เจสสิ
There
ก้า
are
เจ
so
ส
many
ซี่
unintended consequences that come with your decision.
คิดจะตุกบุหรี่เหรอหนู
We can't keep this a secret.
โอ้ยอดตูบนะหนูเอ้ย
We'll need to
วายไม่ได้ตูบไม่ได้ตูบเอาไปแช็ค
Where
ไปแช็ค
is
ที่ไหน
it? I know.
นั่นไงเจอแล้ว
Yes.
นี่แน่เปิดเลยทีนึงโอ๊ยอะไรอ่ะน้ำตัวอะไรเห็นไหมอุ้ยอุ้ยตะเถียนหล่นแป้นจะแตกเฮ้ยเฮ้ยอุ้ยทันเฮ้ยทันติดแล้วบ๊ายบายพ่อวิ่งแล้วมันก็เปิดประตูได้เลยนะโอ้ไปดินั่นมาเลยโฮมรันเดี๋ยวพ่อจะโฮมรันให้ดูลูกนั่นเจอรี่โอ้โหลูกคานหนีโอ้ยเหนื่อยเก็ตไปหนีไปอะไรอ่ะไม่รู้หายเอ้ยทัน เย็ดอะไรโอ้ยเกือบชนบุรีไม่เอาไม้กระบองไหนเฮ้ยทันโอ้โหเว้ยถือว่าตายแล้ว
This way. Come on, stay with me.
วิ่งดิวิ่งอะโจตั้งชนตัวหนึ่งอะชั่วอ้าวมันตาด้วยนะ
You want to take care
มั
of
นตา
business? Your last friend wasn't so lucky.
ไปกันเถอะวางไว้ก่อนเถอะไอ้มนุษย์แก
What the?
Amazing.
เตะ
I've never seen them
แต่
afraid
ไม่เห็นพว
before.
กเขากลัวอย่างนี้มาก่อน
You're getting good at this, Jess. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Dad.
That
เฮ้ย
was
ไปที่ที
awesome.
No problem.
อะไรวะ
Okay, hon. Let the man breathe.
เขาไปปลดล็อกเราว่าเขาสำเร็จได้เยอะจังเลยโอ้
You're
มี
alive.
ชีวิต
We're alive.
ว่าเรามีชีวิต
I'm
อยู่
surprised you guys
The
lasted
kite.
5 minutes without me and Oscar.
Thank you.
Forget it.
ลืมมันเถอะ
Oh my God, you're bleeding. Are you okay?
No worries. Belongs to one of them.
So Yoder, how did you guys not die when the helicopter crashed?
Well, me and Oscar got out on our own before we hit, but Nima needed a little help. Isn't that right, Oscar?
Well, I'm just glad you're all okay. You killed one of them? With a knife? That's so badass.
Well, hey, I outran a T-Rex.
It's nothing. Just another fight.
Are you gonna get a tattoo of a raptor now? I totally would.
ฮะ
Not
มัน
a
เป็น
bad
มันไม่ใช่
idea.
ความคิด
You
ที่แย่
aren't fooling me.
What now?
You can pretend to be a hero
Like
all you
Lolo,
want, but we both know what you really are.
You're right. We do.
เฮ้ยแล้วเจอรี่เป็นไรกระโดดตึกเห็น
Everyone, we have a problem.
อ๋อทุกคนเรามีปัญหาแล้ว
It's just
มัน
steam.
แค่นี้
I don't think steam can, eat us or anything.
You've seen the flickering lights, now the steam eruptions. Something's gone wrong with the island's geothermal power plant.
That's not our problem.
When the power plant explodes, it will be.
It's that bad?
แย่ไหม
Everything I've read about the system says it's supposed to shut itself down if something goes wrong with the steam pressure. The fact that it hasn't means that the pressure will build unchecked. It'll pop like a balloon and take half the island with it.
เออ
Can we get to the power plant from here? I'm completely turned around.
เด็กๆเรา
Yes,
ใจ
I've
เหลือ
been
เกิน
here before. It's down this way. We really ought to get moving.
How can we stop the power plant from exploding?
We have to do something, and quickly,
Oh,
but I won't know exactly what until we get there.
No time. Say goodbye to your dinosaurs, Doc. You can dig up the fossils later.
When the power plant explodes, it'll take us with it. Unless you have a spare helicopter ready to lift off.
Oh, this just keeps getting better and better.
Listen up. You're gonna show me the corridor that goes to the power plant. I'm gonna scout ahead and make sure there's no dinosaur party happening when we get there.
Can I come? I know I can help.
You're staying right here where I can keep an eye on you.
Hey, I saved you, remember? Besides, those things are afraid of him.
You wandered off, Jess.
Oscar doesn't mind, do you? Oscar? When I saw the helicopter crash into the jungle, I thought you guys were goners.
We're fine.
ว่าไม่ไอ้นี่ดังใหญ่เลย
About before, the
ได้เฮ้ย
hostage thing?
เห็น
I'm sorry. I was
Yeah.
only trying to protect
God.
myself. Me and the mercs, we worked it out.
Worked it out? How?
Don't worry about it. We're okay. For now.
You outran a T-Rex, huh, Yoder?
นี่ก็
I
ดัง
sure
ใหญ่
did. Not everyone has the training to pull something like that off, let alone the raw speed.
I know, right? That's what I thought when I outran her yesterday.
เพื่อนคุณเหรอ
That's great! So everyone's friends now, huh?
I wouldn't put it like that.
Then how would you... No way! Did you guys make out?
We've decided that we can all work together. Let's put it that way.
Hey, Oscar's back.
การกลับมาแล้ว
What'd you find, buddy?
แล้วก็โหลดใช่ไหมนั่นไง
Hallway's clear, but the door to the plant is locked.
Don't that just figure?
Either of you got a key?
I'm afraid not.
How about a smoke?
I wish. I swore I had some on me, but... Jess? Something to share?
I'm sorry. I just wanted to borrow them. But then a dinosaur was there, and I threw them, and I think it ate them.
Jessica Marie Harding! First, you get caught stealing a t-shirt from the mall. Then you steal binoculars from the park and lie about it to my face. Now you've taken Laura's cigarettes?
โอ้ยแล้วจะ
You
ทะเลาะ
let
กัน
the
อีก
raptors get to us because you wanted to
ไม่เห็น
smoke?
เป็นไรอ่ะอยากเปิดลูกอยาก
I was all nervous and anxious and stuff, and I thought it would help.
That's not
Eddie
the
Cole,
point.
la. Oh,
It's not
Cole,
just
la.
the smoking, it's stealing. It's not listening. Remember, the main reason you're on this island is because your mother thinks I might be able to straighten you out. Somehow.
Right. Not because you want to see me or anything. Look, you don't have to worry about me, Dad. I'm almost 15. I can take care of myself. I don't need you or Mom or
อะไร
anyone.
เนี่ย
Oh,
My
honey, I
dialogue.
know it feels like that, especially at your age, but you're not an adult. You might be a young woman, physically, but emotional maturity takes
Don't,
time.
okay? I'm sorry, Dad, but how many times have you been married? Your kids. Have you even talked to Sarah lately? This year even?
Oh,
Should you be
look,
lecturing
banana.
anyone about emotional maturity?
Damn. Plant's gonna blow, right? We ain't got time for this after-school
God.
special crap.
อะไร เราต้องรับบทเป็นลอร่า แล้วก็มีอีหานี่อยู่คุยเปิด
It's locked, all right.
Thanks for double checking.
โอ้ได้ยินเสียงพูดมาแต่ไกลเลย
That vent. It may lead to the other side of the door.
Hate to break it to you, Doc, but ain't none of us fitting through there.
Maybe. So, what are our options?
No way we can break it down. Too secure. Got no guns, no explosives. You tell me.
Any suggestions, Mr. Yoder?
No.
Right. I'll go ask an adult. Situations like this make me glad I never had kids.
I haven't seen my daughter in almost 6 months.
Oh. So, what are our options?
No way we can break it down. Too secure. Got no guns, no explosives. You tell me.
ยังมีอยู่ปะโอเค
With a child who needs a refresher on right and wrong,
No.
despite what she says.
I'm not a child. They weren't even my brand. I don't know why I bothered.
Oh, you have a brand. A brand? Are you kidding me? How long?
Missing something?
What? No. Just wondering why they left the transport cages here.
I bet.
Sometime after you...
Slack? So I should just let my 14-year-old daughter smoke? Oh, like hell. You're not leaving my sight until we are off this island.
Or what? You gonna handcuff me? Maybe get out the trank gun?
If that's what it takes, yes. Until I
Jerry,
can trust you not to
please,
put us in danger
a
again,
word?
I want you where I can see you.
Hey, I did a lot to help
Jerry,
us stay
please.
alive out here, remember?
I really need to
Promised
speak
me
with
you would stop stealing, Jess.
I just wanted one cigarette.
All right, enough!
I apologize. I'm sorry. Jess, we will finish this later. How can I help?
We have a situation. The only way around the door to the power plant is that vent. And Jess is the only one of us who might fit inside.
Absolutely not. My daughter has clearly shown that she can't be trusted with her own safety.
ดูแต่ลูกสาว
She
จะ
doesn't
เข้า
leave
ตึ
my
ก
sight from now on. We're just gonna have to
look
find
out,
another
hey.
solution.
เอ๊ะไหน
Jess?
เอ๊ะเอ๊ะ
Jessie? Jess?
It's okay. Pretty sure the dinosaurs haven't been using that vent.
What vent? What dinosaurs? Oh my god. Jess,
Well done, Jess.
Thanks.
Okay, listen up. We need to release the steam pressure to prevent any more buildup.
What are we looking for?
A power console. And probably a master release valve.
Look, Dad, I'm sorry. I was just trying to...
You were just
เล่น
trying to
โกรธ
ignore
ไปโกรธ
everything
มา
I
ทำไม
said.
เนี่ยไม่เข้า
Now
ใจ
just stay where I can see you this time.
Okay. I will. I mean it. Sorry.
เราต้องเล่นเป็นรอละ
Look at all those transformers.
The plant produces enough power to run a small city. See that large valve wheel up there? I think that's the pressure release we're looking for.
I'll handle it.
เพราะว่าเราขึ้นไปดีกว่า
That looks like the power console, up there, at the top of the ladder.
แล้วพูดกับตัวเองเหรอ อ๋อพูดกับเตนด้วยได้
Yeah, they're gonna have to update that sign.
Those blast doors are supposed to close when there's a risk of explosion.
Why aren't they closed now then?
I don't know. I'm just glad it's not my job to explain it to the board. Not your brand, eh?
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I was desperate.
I understand. All too well, I'm afraid. Especially right now. But hey, maybe this disaster is just the push I need to quit.
Really?
Hell no. I'm so hooked I could smoke a velociraptor. I don't want to moralize, but get out if you still can.
Are you gonna go into withdrawal or something?
Huh. Already there. Hey, do you have my lighter, or did the raptor eat that too?
ไม่มีอะไรให้คุยแล้ว
We can't pump the capacitor until the steam is vented. Too risky. We don't want to close the circuit without charging the capacitor first. All right. Looks like we pressed open the circuit in order to turn the power off. Here goes nothing.
Press to open. That does make sense.
It does now.
I'm glad that lava flow is so far below us. Any closer and the heat would be unbearable.
ไม่มีนะดึงไม่ออกเฮ้ย
Could you guys give me a hand with this valve? It won't budge.
Sure. We open pickle jars too.
ไหนลองดูอีกรอบ
Okay, on three. 1, 2, 3.
Stop!
We got this!
Oh, I mean stop! It shouldn't take that much force to turn the valve. There must be some kind of motorized assist for it. If you force it, you could break something.
I'll have a look.
If there is a motor, you'll need to disconnect it before it'll turn manually.
เราก็ดึงไม่ได้ใช่ไหมเฮ้ยอะไรอ่ะ
That compartment there.
ว้า
That could house the motor we're looking for.
I'll check it out.
มีเฮ้ยอยู่3 ตัวนั่นน่ะ
Motor's fried. Burnt out. No! Something's holding it in place. Okay, I found what's holding the motor in.
Great, but we don't have any tools.
Don't need any. It's just a latch.
That's handy. I guess the need to yank that thing out in a hurry was anticipated.
โอเคได้ละ
I got it.
Perfect. Let's try it again.
We need to vent the steam before we turn the power on.
โอเคโอ้โหมุมคนเดียวนี่มุมได้เลยนะไว
That's it! The steam has been vented. All we need now is to turn the power back on.
Looks just like a smokestack.
Okay.
You, need any help?
I'm quite capable, thank you.
เอาเลยวัน
One,
เขาดาวหรือเปล่า1 2 3
two,
ยังไม่ได้
three,
โฟโอเค
four.
Is that the...
It's the press to close light. It means the charge is
เป็น
pumped.
หน้ามันเป็นแปลก
Right.
I'm going to close the circuit and turn the power back on.
Please don't blow up, please don't blow up, please don't blow up.
I think you'll find we have nothing to worry about.
What's happening?
Laura? Nothing to worry about, huh?
It's all right, everyone. It's just a fail-safe measure to protect the plant. We probably set it off when we disconnected the motor or something else.
เฮ้ย
Everything
เกิด
is
อะไร
just
ขึ้น
fine.
เครื่องติดเครื่องพัง
If you say so.
แล้วมีไดโนเสาร์3 ตัวชื่อแรปเตอร์อ้าวเดี๋ยวหางก็ถูกทับหรอก
Run for the ladder, Nima, before they can
แล้ว
cut you off.
ไอ้นี่ต้องวิ่งโอ้ยทำดาวโอเคโอ้ยตูด
The door
Don't
controls,
do that,
they're
Eddie.
completely fried.
อ๋อแต่กี้
Thank you.
These doors be open manually?
I'm afraid not. The only way we can get them
So,
open is
extra
by
control
using the
unit.
controls by the doors where we came in.
I'm on it.
No, no way, that's suicide.
He's right. The Raptors wouldn't have come back if they were still afraid of you.
I'll just have to give them a new reason to be scared then.
Can we at least talk about this?
อะไรเป็นหนทางเดียวเท่านั้น
You know damn well I'm the only one's got a chance to get to that control panel.
Maybe, but who says you have to go alone?
I do. Look, Billy, we gotta get these people out of here. I figure they got no chance with both of us gone.
Crap.
Okay, I want everyone to hang tight while I figure this out. You're going to be fine.
What's the plan?
Working on it. I'll let you know.
โหอยู่ห่างไกลเหลือเกินมีพวกขอส่วนบุญอยู่ข้างล่าง
Any more bright ideas?
แล้วมันมาอะไรตรงลาวามีอะไรอีกเปล่ารู้สึกว่าเหมือนยิ่งหลังๆนี้ไม่ค่อยมีอะไรนะเปล่า
I could get down that way. I've made jumps that wide before. All right, I want you to tempt those raptors by creeping down the ladder.
Oh, okay. Before, I thought you were nuts, but that sounds like a great
You
plan.
got something better?
Could always throw the doctor lady down there. That would distract them.
เอาวิ่งไปแล้ว
Don't go. You could die.
Don't count me out yet.
เราจะไปแล้วนะลาก่อนทุกคน
Give me a diversion, will ya? Couple of seconds at least.
Got it.
Hey, thanks.
เฮ้ยยากนี่เฮ้ยขวาจะมองไม่ค่อยเห็นขวาเฮ้ยสุดท้ายจะตายไม่ได้อุ้ย
I hope he
เขา
makes
จะ
it
รอดไหม
back.
Try not to worry. The man has
มีส
skills,
กิลสเตล
I thought you hated him.
จะรอด
but I respect his ability. If anyone can do this, he can.
โอ้โหคิดว่ามันมองไม่เห็นหรอ
Oscar!
ออสการ์
Company!
บริษัท
Hey, check this out, huh? Nice, tasty drumstick. Too slow, you dumb lizard.
Actually,
That's it. Just keep focused on Billy.
อ้าวไม่ตายค่ะโอ้ยจะรอดไหมเนี่ยเดี๋ยวกดท่าทิ้งไว้เลย
Gotta make a run for it. No choice.
โอ้
You want some of what your buddy
เฮ้ย
had?
ลง
Behind you!
แดง
Come on, Oscar, get up!
ก่อนอินโอ้ล่ะตายขึ้นจิ้ม
There's nothing you can do.
ไปแล้ว
Sorry for your loss. Have to get out of here.
เฮ้ยขึ้นอะไรวะขึ้นอาทัน
No more! Hell! Get ready!
จะ
What happened there?
that was their fear response. Something about this place scares them. But even if they weren't scared, you look ready to hold them off.
Thanks. I'm glad I didn't have to.
Are you okay, Billy?
บ้า
What the hell do you think?
What Oscar did was very brave. When we get back, we're gonna make sure he is duly recognized for his...
You think I care about that crap?
Let's just give him some space.
5 minutes. Just give me 5 minutes and I'll be fine. I know what you people think of us. Bunch of Blue-collar grunts, right? Bunch of high school dropouts. We're replaceable.
We don't think that. We don't. Tell him.
Oscar was worth 1,000 of you, but he knew it. And he still died to save your ass. So don't tell me how you're gonna honor him. You don't deserve to.
Okay. What can we do?
Nothing. I said I'll be fine, remember? All I need is space.
I know we've got a lot on our minds, but whatever spooked those raptors might be nearby.
Laura's right. I need everyone to be alert while she and I search the room.
What is that? It smells like the jungle. Only more rotten.
Jess, you don't want to see this. Nima, could you...
Yeah. Come with me, Jess. Try not to look, okay?
ใครตายโอ้ไม่มีอะไรเห็นปะมีไข่ด้วย
Laura.
Eggs. It is a nest. I thought the structure looked like the nest of a cassowary, maybe an emu, but without eggs, I couldn't be sure.
Yes, but they're inside him.
If you'd asked me 5 minutes ago, I'd have told you such behavior didn't exist outside of class insecta, but now...
He's a human being.
I'm sorry. You're absolutely right.
This guy's dressed a lot like you, Billy.
Does he have a tattoo on his arm? Like mine?
Yes, he does.
อะไรตู้ของผิดอะไร
My God, he's alive.
His pulse is faint, but it's there. Look for bite marks.
Bite marks. Yes, they look just like...
Just like the ones Nima had, I know. He's alive, but only technically. He's paralyzed and almost certainly brain dead. This is the Venom's final stage.
What the hell's going on over there? Is he alive or not?
He's alive, but in a comatose state.
เตะ
Something has laid eggs in his abdomen.
Something what?
The victim is being kept alive by...
Decaf!
I'm sorry?
The victim is Daniel Cafaro, another throwaway grunt.
Oh my god. I knew they'd gotten out somehow, but I never thought...
อะไร
Knew about this?
รู้อะไรวะ
You
ใหญ่
knew? I'll kill you!
จบเอพิโซด3แล้ว